Probably none of you have ever thought that they can completely enhance their health only by drinking warm sea salt water in the morning. However, this video will convince you, as it will show you that this practice can give amazing results for your health and improve certain conditions. Research showed that this method can provide very good results for your entire body. It will detox and recuperate every single cell of your body. This remarkable drink is extremely beneficial for your health. These are many good reasons why you need to drink salty water for 7 days in a row every morning. Here are some that will present you its positive effects. It will strengthen your bones, regulate your sugar level, your metabolism, it will boost your immune system, and it is one of the rare effective natural products that help fight varicose veins. The importance of hydration is already very well known, not to mention the rich content of minerals in only 1 cup of this medicinal drink. The body absorbs salt and water very well and fast since they are natural substances. The body's positive ions and the water's negative ions relate to each other. Procedure: take a glass of lukewarm water and using a spoon, salt it with pure sea salt, according to taste. The salinity level is individual, and this is A+ for this healthy drink. It should be consumed for a week, after which you need to pause for another 7 days. If needed, you can repeat the treatment later again. Salty water benefits: a rich source of minerals. Salt and water are natural, so they are very healthy and nutritious. This salty water is abundant in minerals, which give it superb qualities. Minerals are the basis of healthy nutrition, so this beverage is the perfect way to consume them and feel their benefits. Detoxification. This remarkable drink is highly antibacterial, and a week of consumption can eradicate all bacteria and toxins. Healthy bones. Sea salt water can successfully treat osteoporosis and other bone issues. Hydration. The water with sea salt is one of the best ways to provide the needed hydration to your body. Insomnia. Minerals calm the nervous system, and they are in high amounts in this water. Digestion. Salt water promises a permanent solution to your digestive tract by giving enzymes that accelerate your digestion. Acts favorably on the skin. Only a glass of salt water can help you maintain a clear and healthy skin tone. So, regarding the above, it is highly advisable that you start consuming sea salt water as soon as possible and enjoy its benefits.